Hey, I'm Mike.
And I'm Becky.
And this is the Mike and Becky Show.
We're here at the Kemah Boardwalk in Kemah, Texas.
Yep, on the shores of Galveston Bay.
Galveston Bay.
And we're going to have some fun on the rides. And there's supposed to be a boat parade for Mardi Gras.
For Mardi Gras.
Yep, we're going to check that out.
We'll see if we can catch that.
All right, sounds good. This is our first ride here at Kemah Boardwalk. Try to video. Right here, basically on Houston.
It's so exciting on the.
It's okay. It's relaxing. It's a nice look out over the water.
It's not so much the car that's tight, but like we're right up against the water, and then there's the parking lot, and the highway's right there. They've just like packed it right in.
Yep.
But
It's certainly not like Disney where you gotta walk from ride to ride. So.
Yeah. Not like Cedar Point that's all spread out. No.
Not here.
Not here.
All right. We are getting ready to ride the train around Kemah Boardwalk. It's a steam engine.
I'm pretty sure it might be, electric.
Electric steam engine. And so it's going to be a wild ride, I know. We're ready for it.
Ding, ding, ding.
Ding, ding, ding.
Bells ringing. We are getting ready to go. Crossing gates are going down. Our engineer is standing in front of there, pacing off. Climbing in, I think we're getting ready to go. The Kemah Express. Here it's building up steam there. And we're off. We're moving. There we go. Woo! There's all the crowds waiting at the stations. Woo! And we go right by the bay here, right by Galveston Bay. Tight corners here. First tunnel. Oh, look at that. It's a long and deep tunnel. Scary. And we're back out. Palm trees abound here.
Yes. They weren't frozen. That
Flamingos and a wild water fountain there. Woo! And we're heading into our third tunnel. Whoa, look at this. Whoa. Hey, it's an old-timer. Woo! Sheriff. Oh, guys, this must be a mine shaft. Oh, no. Woo! Oh, that was kind of scary. Totally missed the second rifles and ammo there. Oh. Yep, we're in Texas. That's what you need. Lots of ammo.
Lots of pirates.
Yep.
Or at least pirate stories. Close.
At the end of the station. End of our ride. And here we are. And that's our ride. You and I are going to be swingers tonight. We're going on this behind us. This is the one we're going to try next. Yeah, check out the lights. See that big blue thing there? I'm taking Becky on that one next. Yeah. Most of it. Here we go, ready to go on the hypno spin. Woohoo!
Now get ready to get dizzy.
We are going on the Ferris wheel next. Woohoo! We're on the Ferris wheel here. Hey, Becky. Looking over the rest of the Kemah Boardwalk here.
Oh, so much better when it's lit up.
It is. It is. At night, it's much better. Here. You're here.
Check out the little lobster.
Yeah.
Oh, how cute.
Rock lobster. Oh,
Oh, I heard it.
no. Hold your back.
You can see the city of Kemah, which was founded in 1898 by John Henry Kipp and James H. Bradford, when the Bradford and Kipp families subdivided their properties into lots and established the township. In 1907, they named the city Kemah. Kemah is an Indian word, meaning wind in the face.
It's cool here at night.
Kemah is now home to a population of approximately 2,300 people. Local lore has it that a portion of pirate John Lafitte's treasure is buried in the area. But before you start digging yourself, legend also has it that a large portion of the treasure was dug up and used to finance Kemah's notorious past as an illegal gambling hotspot in the 40s and 50s. The Kemah Boardwalk is a 60-acre park developed, owned, and operated by Landry's Incorporated. The boardwalk is the largest employer in the city.
Okay, we had some dinner at Saltgrass, and it was great. And our possibly final or next to the last ride of the night is the Aviator, which was not operating earlier this evening. So, getting on right now. Okay, we're strapped in, ready to go on the Aviator. And there's a little button down here. We can steer. This operates the fins back here, so we can go in and out on the ride. So we'll see how this all works. Here we are on the flight orbiter, flying around here. Woohoo! On the angle. And here we are enjoying our ride. Wait, Becky, you want to leave already? You haven't ridden the carousel.
The pony ride?
Yeah.
I got my face painted.
Okay. All right.
I'm good.
Okay. All right. Well, we've had a great day here at Kemah Boardwalk, and you know, we're Rode all the rides almost that we could. Anyway, had a good time. We did not ride the carousel.
We didn't ride the carousel. Out here was a really great break.
It was.
So we're trying out the City Pass. Houston has a City Pass. If you haven't checked this out, there's many big cities that have a City Pass where you can get them for a certain price, and then you have access to a number of different attractions. They usually they give you a number of days to get them done. So even if you live there, City Passes are very economical, and it's a great way to go and be a tourist in your own city.
Yeah, or in somebody else's city.
Yes.
All right.
We're going.
Bye-bye from Kemah Boardwalk in Kemah, Texas.